Good morning, student. This is MSc Physics semester second, paper second, atoms and molecule. Now we have to discuss today electronic spectra of diatomic molecule. In this spectra, we have to discuss the quantization level of the various types of energies associated with a diatomic molecule. Shows that in an electronic level, a large number of vibrational levels and in a given vibrational level of a large number of rotational level exist. We have already discussed rotational as well as vibrational spectra in TYBSc as well as last lecture. Now the separation between electronic level of the order of 10 raised to power 6 per centimeter or more. This is the difference or distance between these two levels. First ground level as well as excited level. The term electronic spectroscopy is used for transmission between electronic state which falls in the visible and ultraviolet region of the electromagnetic spectrum. During the electronic transition, vibrational and rotational energy changes can also occur. The vibrational changes produce what is called the vibrational coarse. Coarse means rough structure, whereas the rotational changes gives rise to the rotational fine structure on the electronic spectra. Hence, a detailed analysis of electronic spectra gives information on the rotational constant and vibrational frequencies of both ground and excited electronic state. This is the gives all information about the ground state electronics, ground state electrons as well as excited state electron. Molecule possesses permanent electric dipole moment gives pure rotational spectra because of they are two more than one atom, that is why they are rotating in their own axis. Vibrational spectra requires a change of dipole moment during its normal mode of vibration because they are vibrate up and down or left or right. However, electronic spectra are given by all molecules since changes in the electron distribution in a molecule are always accompanied by a dipole moment change. Dipole moment, they are changing their dipole moment. Therefore, homonuclear means same diatomic molecule through possesses no permanent dipole moment. For example, H2 molecule, they are same molecule, that is called as homonuclear molecule. Shows an electronic spectra with rotational and vibrational structure. Okay. Now we have to discuss the next article in the vibrational core structure. Vibrational core structure means rough structure or different structure of vibrational core structure. To understand the vibrational core structure, we drop the rotational energy term because of we have to study only vibration. That's why we have dropped the rotational energy term for the expression for the total energy is epsilon T is equal to, this is the T for total energy, epsilon EL means electron plus nu plus half VE bar minus nu plus half whole square VE bar into Xe. The steps are changes going to upward direction plus nu plus half cube YE VE bar plus and so on per centimeter. This is equation number 1. For nu is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. The energy levels corresponding to this equation are shown in figure 1. These are the energy levels. This is the diagram. First one is ground state electron and epsilon prime is the excited state electron. Now we have to discuss sometime this diagram. First one we have to discuss the notation of this diagram. As usual, lower states are indicated by a double prime. This is the ground state that is indicated by double prime, and the upper state by using or indicating single prime. Upper state means excited state. As the excited electronic state corresponds to a weaker bond, the vibrational levels in the excited state would be more closely spaced than that in the ground state. From equation 1 means which equation? This is epsilon t is equal to epsilon El plus nu plus half VE bar minus nu plus half square V into Xe bar Xe plus nu plus half power cube Y into Xe. This is equation number 1. The wave number of a special line can be written as this equation. This is we have to discuss sometimes later. Now we have to discuss the this diagram, the vibrational core structure of electronic absorption from the ground state. This is epsilon double prime. This is ground state, and this is epsilon single prime. This is excited state. The transition between these two states, nu double prime as well as nu prime, the transition is 0 0. Means ground state 0, nu is equal to 0, to upper state nu is equal to 0. 1 0 means ground state 0 and upper state 1. 2 0 means ground state 0 and upper state 2. 3 0, 4 0, 5 0, 6 0, 7 0 and so on. This is the transition of vibrational core structure of electronic absorption. How to absorb, and these are the transition number 0 0, 1 0, 2 0, 3 0, 4 0, 5 0, 6 0 and so on. Okay. Now the equation the wave number of spectral line can be written as this equation. In wave number, nu V bar V prime into V double prime. V prime, nu prime is the upper state energy and nu double prime is the lower state energy. Using these two, upper state as well as lower state energy is equal to epsilon prime electron minus epsilon double prime electron means 2 electron upper state as well as lower state plus nu bar nu prime plus half nu v bar prime into E minus nu single prime plus half square V. This equation adjusted only wave number. Last one equation adjusted in wave number VE bar into Xe prime minus of this first bracket indicates the upper state of the electron and second bracket indicates the lower state of the electron. This is the nu double prime plus half V bar double prime E minus V nu double prime plus half square VE double prime into Xe double prime. This is equation number 2. The change in vibrational quantum number and electronic transition is not governed by the selection rule of vibrational spectroscopy, and any nu double prime tends to nu prime means electron goes to ground state level energy ground state to upper state. Transition has some definite probability. However, the situation is simple if the absorption is from the electronic ground state to an excited state, as almost all molecules exist in the lowest vibrational state because of they are in rest position. That's why they are present in lower vibrational state. Therefore, the transitions which are of considerable intensity are those originating from the nu double prime is equal to 0 means this is ground state. That's why the all energy will be 0 labeled according to their nu prime comma nu double prime values are 0 0. We have already told 0 0 means transition between ground state to upper state 0 0 transition. 1 0 means ground state 0 and upper state 1. 2 0 means ground state 0 and upper state 2. 3 0 means ground state 0 and upper state 3. These are the transitions of the electrons. Now, the set of lines corresponding to these transitions is called as nu prime progression, since the value of nu prime increases by unity for each line in the set. All lines in the set. Set means 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, 0. These are the sets. The wave numbers of the 0, 0 transition is then nu bar is equal to nu bar into nu bar 0, 0 is equal to epsilon electron prime means upper state minus electron epsilon double prime means lower state plus half nu bar e prime minus 1/4 x e bar single prime into nu ve prime minus half ve double prime plus 1/4 xe into v bar e double prime. Rearranging this equation, that's this equation would come to first set means 0, 0 state means ground state as well as excited state transition 0 and 0. This is equation number 3. On the high frequency side, there will be a crowding of the lines from equation 3. It is obvious that the observation of few lines in a band enables one to determine the vibrational frequency VE bar and unharmonicity constant Xe of the both ground and excited state electronic state of a molecule in addition to separation between the electronic state. These states are shown in this diagram. This is the epsilon double prime means ground state, and this is the epsilon single primes electrons. These two states, okay. This is the vibrational course structure. Thank you very much.